Hello everyone, my name is M. Ganeshmani and you're watching #MGM 2004. Welcome back to my channel. My name is M. Ganeshmani, USN 1VE22EC056, currently pursuing my BE in Electronics and Communication branch at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. So today's subject that we are going to be looking into is Introduction to Civil Engineering, and the course code for this subject is BESCK 204A. Before getting into the topic, let's look into this picture. By analyzing this picture, we can understand that there are various tools used so that we can collect the data or information or the measurements using the human power. In the language of civil, this whole process is called as surveying. The contents we are going to be covering under this topic are definition and various instruments used for surveying. So let us understand the definition of surveying. It is the art or science of determining the relative position of points on above or beneath the surface of Earth. It is done by the means of measurement of distance, direction, and elevation either directly or indirectly. And many instruments are used so that we can calculate the measurements precisely, accurately, and perfectly. So let's look into the next topic, that is various instruments used for surveying. From the past decades, many instruments are found so that we can reduce human power and collect the data in a more precise and accurate way. So in the past decades, there were chains that were used for the measurement, and nowadays there are drones, satellites, total stations, and many more instruments used so that we can collect the data in a precise way. So from those n number of instruments, let us understand some of the instruments in brief. So the first instrument that we are going to be looking under this topic is chain. Chain is one of the oldest instrument used for measurement, and so far many government officials use this form to measure many small areas till now and many barren lands. Here it is used to provide us linear measurement of the field, and it is more suitably adapted for small areas, and the details to be filled are very simple and less. The limitations of chain are it does not give us accurate results as modern equipments, and it is hard to measure using these instruments. So the next instrument that we're going to be looking into is tape. A tape measure or a measuring tape is a flexible ruler used to measure length or distance. Tape are used for surveying horizontal and vertical or slope distances. The types of tapes are linen or cloth tape, metallic tape, steel tape. Limitations. It is not useful for large areas, and a large number of manpower is used to measure lands using this instrument. The next instrument is compass. Compass surveying is an important branch of surveying which is usually adopted in determining the position of an object by taking angular measurement. These are used to measure large areas that are coastal areas or the coastline areas of the river. Types of compass: prismatic compass, surveyor compass, level compass. Limitations: places having iron ore deposition are avoided as it might provide deflection and error might occur. The next instrument is theodolite. Theodolite is a device that is utilized in surveying to determine horizontal and vertical angle with the tiny telescope which moves within the horizontal and vertical planes. The accuracy with these angles may be measured at a range of 5 minutes to zero point 0.1 seconds. Applications or uses: measuring horizontal and vertical angles, locating points on a line, finding the difference in the level. Limitations: it is costly and high skill is required to operate this device. The next instrument is total stations. It is an electronic or optical instrument used to measure horizontal and vertical angle, as well as the sloping distance of the object to the instrument, and an onboard computer to collect the data and perform triangulation calculations. Types of total stations: manual total stations, semi-automatic total stations, and automatic total stations. Advantages: working efficiency is high, saves our time, errors are avoided. Disadvantages: it is costly, high scale operation is required, battery life is low. The next instrument is GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System, by which anyone can always obtain the location and time information anywhere in the world. It is a system of the Earth orbiting satellites which provides a precise location on Earth's surface in latitude, longitude coordinates. Segments of GPS: space segment, control segment, user segment. Applications of GPS is geodetic control survey, cadastral control survey, navigation, remote sensing, and survey in remote areas. So the last instrument that we are going to be looking into is drone. Drone surveying may be defined as an aerial survey performed utilizing drones using unique cameras to prepare aerial data having downward facing sensors. Method of drone surveying is photogrammetry and LiDARs. Uses of drone are land management and development, precise measurement, and urban planning. Limitations: it is costly, high skills is required to operate it. It must be maintained and handled carefully. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon and share your valuable comments in the comment section. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.